Yes, I'm live now. How I structure my website starting from my local machine, my computer is showing the screen. So this will help me whenever you want everything to be in sync, your web pages in your web editor, and I'm using Visual Studio Code, and your website, and it's very helpful when everything is matching. Look at my website. This is my website here. georgekc.com. Website. So let's say this is the main domain, georgekc.com, www. Then I have the start here, like that's the home page, which is, I click on it, so it's georgekc. If you click on it, it says services.com. Working on this website, so it's being project 2. So let's see the contact me page. So score me.html. So if you look at those, they're the same on my website in the Visual Studio Code. So let me go down. Let me minimize this. Okay, so looking at the Visual Studio Code now. Oh, let's see. Just make it bigger. I want to try to keep my image. Let me see. Make it smaller. Okay, so since my website for you, it's georgekc.com. It's right here. So this folder, I can. So if you open, this is the you see the training direct. These are the pages. So again, if I open Visual Studio Code, this is my website, georgekc.com, the folder on my desktop, and I created the training kc.com/training, and in the training directory there are other HTML web pages and the CSS style sheets. And looking at the main underneath in a root directory, this is the about me.html contact index. So that's the home page. So georgekc.com/html. This is the privacy.html, services.html. So these I am in the process of updating those, so it's a new website, but I just want to show you how I'm building it and the way I structure the pages. And when I upload when I make changes or create new web pages, and I upload it right here. So this is FileZilla. When this is on my desktop, but I can access the website back end and upload pages and make changes. So when I want to log in the FTP, I just want to show you how they work together. The Visual Studio Code, the code editor, the FTP, and my website, how they are in sync. You know, they have the same structure of pages, and how easy it becomes when you want to make changes or add web pages to your site. So this is georgekc.com. This is my local site, local machine here. This is what I showed you, the Visual Studio Code editor. And I'm going to be connected to my web server, and I'm going to show you now how it appears here. So the way I log in is ftp dot georgekc, this is my username, .com, and then I add my georgekc, and this is my password. And now I'm gonna hit quick connect, so I connect my to my web server. If I hit quick connect, and now it's showing you the status here. It says status resolving address of ftp.georgekc.com connecting to, then it will give you the communication between the FTP software and my server. And it says insecure server, it does not support FTP. I still have to figure out a way to communicate securely, but for the purpose of I hit OK, and now it's gonna connect to my web server. This is my web server. This is my website here, and I'm logged in. It says remote site. This is my web hosting account, where my web pages or create new ones in Visual Studio Code. I'll just right click on those and I refresh to make sure it's the recent copy. It's gonna upload The web page I created in Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor, and it's gonna upload it to my web server, this one here, and it's gonna, if it's the same page changed, it's gonna prompt me to replace it. Otherwise, if it's a new page that did not exist on a website, it's gonna create it, it's gonna add it to the website. So basically, that's how it goes. I edit using Visual Studio Code. I edit the web pages and I create new ones and I make changes. And I use the FTP software. It's a client server software. It's a client on my computer. It will connect you to my web. It connects me to the web server, and once I'm connected, then I can make changes. I can upload the new pages, and I can on your website by log will be in sync. Your the Visual Studio Code or the other video code, the code editor you're using, and the FTP, the software you use to upload and make changes to your web pages or website, and the web server on your in your web hosting account. So that's it for this short presentation. That's all what I have. I just wanted to show you how I use the Visual Studio Code, how to structure my website, and how it looks like. It looks the same as my website, and then how it looks on a FTP client server software that I'm using. So basically the three places have the same structure, and obviously everybody will be doing that, otherwise it's not gonna work properly. But in the beginning, when you start, it's not easy to figure out. It took me a while to figure out how to structure the website and how to upload it and how to use the FTP. And basically I'm logging in the back end of the FTP of my website, and working on my local machines, local computer, and uploading and making changes on my website. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please submit them in a comment, and just give me ideas if you can about future videos, because I'll be making more videos. Just add any questions, and then you'll give me idea about and based on your questions I can create more videos. So that's it, and I want to thank you again for watching this live, building your new or your first website, or editing your existing one. Thank you.